Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Quicken and enable tags from Edit Preferences tags, then click Add to create a new tag name. Use clear short names and an optional tag group to organize tags for budgets, projects, or shared expenses. Keep names under 30 characters so they display cleanly. You can create tags in the tag list or directly from a transaction using the tag field in the register. When creating, add a short description and set a color or group to help visually scan lists quickly and consistently. Assign tags manually in a transaction by typing or selecting the tag in the tag field in the register. Press Enter to save. Use multi-tagging by separating tags with a semicolon to apply more than one tag to a single transaction, which helps track shared costs or multiple projects. You can also assign tags using find or automated rules to batch tag multiple transactions at once, saving time for hundreds of entries. For mobile sync, add tags on your phone and they will sync back to the desktop. Run the tag report to see totals by tag and category for a selected date range, including 12 months or custom dates. Choose summary or detailed views. Export tag reports to CSV with one click to analyze totals in a spreadsheet outside Quicken, compare month-to-month percentages, or combine with budget data. Regularly merge, rename, or delete unused tags from the tag list to keep reporting accurate and uncluttered. Use consistent naming and remove duplicates monthly so your dashboards and budget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.